to day 6 of our Python 0 to Hero series. Imagine you need to print hello 100 times. Writing print hello 100 times would be a waste of time. That's why we use loops. Loops helps us repeat a block of code automatically. What is a loop? A loop is used to execute the same block of code multiple times. Without loop, we should write like print, hello, like we need to like print, write like this, control V, like that. We need to print like this, right? Like this only we can print hello, like so with the loop. So this is one part that you can write, but with the help of the loop, just go for this in for I in range one five. We need to print five allows. So we given a range of five, and we need to give the code that you always forgot. Okay, God and print hello. Okay, so just look at this. It's full of
Yeah.
good. Then
Y los chicos se van a reír, ¿eh?
after that, we can look for the explanation for starts the loop. This 4 is for starting the loop. Then this range 5 means repeated 5 times. If we give like 10, if we give 10, what happened? If we give 10 like this, if we run, it will be print for 10 times. Little lag, okay. Like this will happen. So I is called the loop variable. Next, understanding the range. So first of all, we are going to put like this range. We are giving like 5, and print. We are going to print I. So what will be the output? We are going to print like 0 to 4. Why up to 4? We will consider always 0 as a number. So it will start with 0 and end in 5 numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then range 5 starts from 0 and stop before 5. For example, for range I in range of 1, comma 6. Print I, what will be the answer? 1 to 5. Okay, if we are specifying that, it will be happen. Using a step value. So if we are going to give like this, just look 2, comma 11, comma 2. What will be the answer you think? We are going to print from 2 to 11, in between 2 to 11 with a alternation of 2 or even numbers. Looping through a string. Now we are going to check how to loop through a string. Name equal to Python. Name equal to Python. Enter 4 letter in name, print, letter. So what happened? We printed the letters in this name. Okay. So like that Python. Explain that string are sequence of characters. The while loop. A while loop runs as long as the condition is true. So, still now we studied about the for loop. The next one is the while loop. A while loops that I already tell runs along as the condition is true. So, if we count, if we giving a example like count equal to one, then enter while count is greater than or equal to 5, then print count, then count equal to plus equal to 1. So, if just look at this, we give an assignation like count equal to 1. So, it will start from 1. Then next one is we are giving a while loop. So, in this says that there is a condition that count should be less than or equal to 5. So, if count is less than or equal to 5, then print count. So, again, then after that we are giving a another condition that after this, it again one will become two, two after that, like that. It's then infinite loop. Now we are going to study about infinite loop so that we will giving while true, true, print, print, hello. So this loops never stops. Use it carefully and stop it with a control C. Okay, in the terminal. So, it's the infinite loop. If we give a while true like this, it will be gone like a infinite loop. Then next one is the break statement. So, just look at this code. Okay, for I in range 1, comma 11, if I equal to 6, break, and we are giving a break here, then print I, then what will be the answer? So here we break it till, okay, we gave a range of 1 to 11. So it should be print from 1 to 10, right? But here what happened? If I equal to 6, break. We given till 6 only means we are giving a stop condition like 6 and break. So it will print only up to 1 to 5. The continue statement. Next, we are going to learn about continue statement. If we are giving 3 and you just giving 6, and instead of break, what we need to do, continue. So, wait, one year, okay, I arrange, con, just now, now, what happened? This tree is invisible, skip because of this continue icon. Then next one is the pass. Pass does nothing. It used as placeholder. So next one we are going to look for the nested loop that here we are giving like 4i in range 3 and 4j in range 3 and print I comma j. So what happened? It will print like this. So I will explain the this nested loop. Okay. So nested loops are the one of the topics behind confusing. Here's a simple way to explain them in your YouTube video. So what is a nested loop? A nested loop is a simple and easy. A loop inside another loop. Think of it like a school. The outer loop represents the classroom, the inner loop represents the students in each classroom. For every classroom, you visit every student. Example, for I in range 3, for j in range 3, print I comma j. Initially, we are giving I equal to 0, and now the inner loop starts with j equal to 0. So print 0 comma 0. Then next one is j equal to 1. So 0 comma so 1 and j equal to 2 print 0 comma 2. The inner loop finishes. Now the outer loops moves to the next value I equal to 1. So j equal to 0 print 1 comma 0. J equal to 1 print 1 comma 1. Then j equal to 2 print 1 comma 2. Again it finishes. Finally I equal to 2. Again this will happen. Then will get like this. Okay. Next we are going to study about mini project number guessing game. So if we are giving a secret equal to 5 while true, guess int input guess the number. If the guess equal to secret, print correct you guessed it. Break else print try again. While true keeps asking. Break ends the game when the correct number is guessed. Otherwise it will not guessed. Common mistake, forgetting to update the variable in the while loop. Count equal to 5, uh, like while count equal to print count equal to 1 and we need to give like count plus equal to 1. We need to then I will give the practice question like print number from 1 to 0, 1 to 20, sorry. Then homework project password check the correct password equal to Python 123. 123 while true password input enter the password if password equal to correct password print access granted break otherwise else wrong password. Interview questions that we can discuss. A loop repeats a block of code multiple times. Difference between for and while. For is used when the number of iteration is not. While is used when the loop should continue until a condition becomes false. What does break do? It immediately exits the loop. What does continue do? It skips the current iteration and moves to the next one. What is past used for? It acts as a placeholder when no action is needed. So what's are the things? What are the difference between for and by? For is used for when the number of iteration is not. If the number of iteration is not, we can use like this. While is used when the loop should continue until the condition becomes false. It's easy. What does break do? It immediately exits the loop. What does continue do? It skips the current iteration and move to the next one. What is pass used for? It acts as a placeholder when no action is needed. Summary, for loop, while loop, range, nested loop, break, continue, pass, multiplication table, project, number question project, password check. Congratulations, you now know how to repeat tasks efficiently using loops. Practice these examples because loops are used in almost every Python program. In day 7, we will learn string and string methods. You will discover how to manipulate and work with text like a pro.